Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to do reading about all signs your person current feelings and will they take action towards you. Okay, this is for all signs. So first we will see for Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, your person current feelings. First we will see their current feelings. Fire sign Sagittarius. Right now, I think you are in no contact. Definitely your person is not talking to you. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot and they're thinking that you are stand by your power. Yeah, Queen of Wands, it's you stand by your power. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. Yeah, but it is very slow moving energy. Yeah, they're willing to work on this relationship. Let's see their current feeling. Let's see they will make any action towards you. Sagittarius. Will they action? Will they take action? Yeah, they will take action. They are coming back to you, but very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, because under the deck, Eight of Swords. Definitely right now they are feeling stuck, but they will take action. Definitely they are hoping for this connection. If you are in separation, they also want reconciliation with you. And Page of Swords, definitely some message you will receive from your person. And if you are in separation, they may be spying on you on social media, or you may be. Definitely they are coming back, and this time they are very sincere and stable offer. Yeah, they will take action, but it will take time, Sagittarius. So let's see Aries. First fire signs, next water signs, air and earth. Okay, Aries, your person current feelings. First, these are the quick messages. Yeah, they are missing you so much. They are thinking about you a lot. Nine of Swords energy. Aries, your person. Yeah, I think if you are in separation, definitely they are missing you so much. And yeah, some communication. They want to express the true feelings and they want to speak the truth. King of Swords is here. Definitely your person is very straightforward. And the Sun, definitely they want you back, because the Sun is major arcana. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So let's see, will they take action? Their actions towards you. Aries, your person, near future actions towards you. Wow. Yeah, communication. Definitely they will make some communication. Yeah, you will receive back and forth communication from your person. Yeah, and strength. Definitely I think they are gaining the strength to come back to you. I think the person involved in this connection could be Leo, also Aries. And Nine of Wands. Yeah, maybe you got it up right now. Yeah, they will take action towards you. Definitely they will make some communication, Aries. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings. So they are in confusion. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person, Leo, because Seven of Cups with Five of Wands. Yeah, they're willing to come back to you. Definitely they coming back, but very slow moving energy. They're thinking that to come back to you, but they are in so much confusion and there is a lot of drama going. So let's see, will they take action? Leo. Yeah, definitely they will take action and there is love. Definitely your person loves you. Ace of Cups is here. Yeah, they're coming back. Reconciliation if you are in separation. And Eight of Wands, communication. Yeah, they will communicate you. You will receive communication from your person. And yeah, this could be long distance relationship also. Okay, so let's see water sign. Water signs. First, Pisces. Pisces, your person current feelings. I think you are in separation for sure, because they are in suffering in silence. Five of Cups. Yeah, there's feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, but your person undergoing some meditation state. They're thinking about you, but they are undergoing some healing process. Yeah, maybe they turn in their back from you. Yeah, they're waiting for the time. Okay, they're waiting for you. So let's see, will they take action in near future? Pisces, definitely you are in separation with your person, Pisces. Yeah, but they are holding back. But in near future, definitely they are hoping for this correction. I think Pisces and Sagittarius reading mostly same. If you want to see Sagittarius also, starting of video. Ace of Pentacles, yeah, they're ready to offer long-term stability to this connection, but they're holding back. Yeah, they're holding back their feelings. Yeah, they're waiting for you to take action towards them. What I'm seeing here, if you go there, definitely they will also want, they also want reconciliation, but they're holding back. But definitely I'm seeing some reconciliation here. Cancer, let's see. Water sign, your person current feelings. King of Pentacles. Wow. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. Definitely your person right now feeling overburdened due to family responsibilities, work pressures, whatever. But they want to come towards you. They want to offer stability if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want to marry you, some marriage proposals. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Yeah, communication, lot of readings getting communication cards. Definitely you will receive back and forth communication. Right now your person may be in some, I think one person in this connection undergoing some transformation. Yeah, and there is a lot of drama going between you and your person, but some, yeah, communication. I think there is communication is going to be happen between both of you if you are in no contact. So let's see Scorpio. Your person current feelings. I think there is some fighting. There are some fighting between you and your person. Yeah, they are wishing for you. Definitely they are wishing for this connection, 9 of Cups. But they are waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. You both could be soulmates. Yeah, your person also very abundant. And they want to marry you, they want to commit to you. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, there is love between both of you. Yeah, if you are in relationship but not committed, definitely your person want to commit to you. They want to take this relationship to next level, Scorpio. Yeah, so let's see 8 sign Gemini. Your person current feelings and actions right now. Okay, yeah, some communication, they want to communicate you. And 10 of Pentacles, they want to offer stability and they want to take this relationship to next level, Gemini. The Chariot, yeah, the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. So let's see the near future actions. They want upgrade in this connection. Yeah, if you're in separation, for some there is separation definitely, but they want to fix the things. I think maybe for some your person, yeah, definitely they're coming back to fix the things. Definitely they're feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. Very few cases I'm seeing another group here. 8 of Cups, maybe your person walking away, they choose to walk away from you. Okay, very few. I want one more card for actions. Yeah, there is a lot of drama, but love is there. For some there will be reconciliation. For some your person decided to move on from you, Gemini. So let's see Libra. Okay, 6 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, I think you both are in separation or in no contact or less contact. Yeah, but your person want to offer equal give and take, but they don't know how to make a move towards you because right now your person feeling stuck, but they are willing to offer equal give and take. Maybe you walked away from your person or your person maybe. see the near future actions. Wow. Yeah, they're coming back to you, Libra. There is a lot of love for you. Your person have a lot of love for you. I think there are two persons coming towards you. I don't know. One is new person, one is past person. Definitely there are two person I'm saying. But two persons have so much love for you because King of Cups and Knight of Cups and Knight of Swords. Okay. So definitely they're coming back. If you are waiting for your past person, definitely they're coming back. And new person is also coming to you, Libra. So let's see Aquarius. Your person current feelings and actions. Your person current feelings and actions. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, and they are feeling sad for the separation. Definitely both are in separation, or they are feeling for sad. They are feeling sad for the separation, and they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with the Four of Cups with Five of Cups. Yeah, they are feeling sad and they're missing you so much. Yeah, Six of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. So let's see, will they take action, Aquarius? So will they take action towards you? Yes, definitely. They will commit to you. They are rushing towards you. And apology is also coming towards you. Aquarius. Wow. Page of Cups and Knight of Swords and the Emperor. Definitely in past, your person may be in and out of your life. But now they want to commit to you. They want to offer marriage proposal. They want to commit to you. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology. Communication is coming. So let's say Earth sign Capricorn. This is very quick messages. Oh, Five of Cups. Separation. Yeah, your person feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. If you are in separation, if you are no contact, but they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely they are wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups. Will they take action towards you, Capricorn? Let's see. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay. Yes, you can expect some message from your person, and yeah, they're ready to offer stability, but they're in some confusion state. They are at some crossroads, but they're going to be choose you, Capricorn. Yeah, because Two of Pentacles clarification card is King of Pentacles. Definitely their confusion will get away. Yeah, they're going to be choose you, Capricorn. Yeah, you will get some message, communication. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. Virgo, let's see your person current feelings. And actions. Yeah, your person undergoing some transformation. Yeah, they want to come to you towards you. I think there are two persons coming towards you. One is past and another one is new for you, Virgo. But one person, I think your person may be stuck on you right now because the Hanged Man, they are spiritually awakening. Definitely your person undergoing transformation, and some new person is also entering in your life. But King of Cups, definitely your person has strong emotions for you. Definitely they will take action when the transformation is over. Yeah, because King of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions. And Ten of Swords, yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. If you are in separation, your person want reconciliation with you. Yeah, they will take action. Excuse me. Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and actions. Will they take action? Cards. Clarification for. I think your person undergoing some tower moment right now. Yeah, I think your person is very emotional person. I think they are thinking about you, that you are very caring and emotional person. Definitely there is some intimacy between both of you. I think this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Three of Wands. Maybe you turn your back from your person, or your person maybe turn their back from you. Yeah, maybe they are obsessed with you. Definitely they want this happiness with you. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation. If you are not in separation, they want to marry you. They want this happy family with you, Taurus. Yeah, and they see you like this, Empress. Yeah, I want one more clarification card. Yeah, Judgment. They are going to choose you. Maybe in past They may be not decided, indecisive, but they're going to be choose you and they want this happy family with you, Taurus. Yeah, they are going to be make a move towards you. So this is the reading for you guys, all signs. Hope it resonates to you. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.